Let's also talk about Thermo Fisher this morning. Thermo Fisher Scientific sees revenue decline in its latest quarter as scientific instrument makers' results were hit by lower COVID-19 testing revenue here. You're seeing shares down by about 4% this morning, and noteworthy that they've seen the testing revenue kind of just drip out at this point over the past several quarters. And of course, why is that? Because there's not as much testing being done as when we were at some of the kind of peak COVID concern levels where tests, there were basically a run on tests to try and figure out where you could get one. The government was subsidizing tests, and in many cases, still you can apply for some of those subsidies for a test to be covered for you. But all that said, we're not purchasing in the general public and offices, they're not purchasing tests at the same level of volume, and that is directly hitting some of those results. You could see that as you look back over several quarters for Thermo Fisher Scientific as well here, and over the past 3 months, down by about 8.5%. Yeah,
and if you look at the individual, even though overall earnings beat and revenue was in line with estimates, if you look at the individual lines of business, you see some misses. Life sciences revenue was down by 38% and missed estimates. I'm looking at specialty diagnostics revenue down by 25%. It looks like that missed estimates by a bit as well. The company saw more strength in analytical instruments and lab products and services. But, you know, when two of your biggest lines of business are down and disappointing, you know, you see those shares down. And by the way, that stock's on our trending ticker list this morning, which is spotted TMO.
TMO.
That's the ticker. Not TMI, TMO.